What Women Want by Preeti Shenoy. Our guide for men to keep that special woman in their life permanently. Happy and hooked. Most men are clueless as to what women want. They say women confuse them. They say women are hard to understand. They say women are confused creatures. It would be nice if someone told them exactly what women want. It has been the subject of endless discussion. Many of my male friends told me if only women told them what they want, relationship between them could improve a great deal. So, I wrote this somewhat tongue-in-cheek letter, which many of my female friends forwarded to their men in their lives. Dear boyfriend, husband, and current man in my life, when we see you at the end of the day and say, I have had a really hard day today, just hold us and give a hug instead of asking, oh, really? What happened? Sometimes we don't want to make you things right. We just need a hug. Sometimes we just wanted that you be assured that we still matter. When we ask you if we look fat in an outfit, please say it suits you well. If it really looks horrible, please say I think you look better in that other outfit. Sometimes we just need a little straight talk. When we ask you if you mind to taking us out, even though there is a cricket match on TV, please be honest and fix the time when it will not interfere with your match watching. Taking us out and then glancing at your watch every 5 minutes makes feelers guilty. Sometimes we appreciate honesty too. When we ask you if you miss us, when you go on those outstation trips, please lie a bit and say you cannot wait to get back home, even if you are having a great time at a 5-star hotel paid by the company. Sometimes we need to hear a little bit of lie too. When we tell you that another guy seems nice, we are not thinking of getting into bed with him. We are only probably thinking that he could be a nice husband for that still single girlfriend of ours. We are not mentally comparing you. Sometimes, at least sometimes, don't doubt on our intentions. When you driving us back home after a nice dinner at a restaurant and we ask you, do you want to stop for a coffee? Please say yes if you really do not want coffee, because it's mean we are asking us as we want to stop. Sometimes we like you to mind read too. When we sometimes complain too about our problems, please do not give us solutions. Sometimes we just want to listen you and be sympathetic. See, it is so easy to please us. And how can you say that you don't understand women?